Medical College for examination, and today he is expected to be produced at a local magistrate for remand. And remember, the prosecution had strongly wanted to interrogate Tarun Tejpal and wanted to take him for custodial interrogation rather, and now they will produce him for a 14-day remand before a local magistrate, which will happen around noon, is what sources tell us. Officially, Goa police, though not confirming what time or when they will take him, but we know that here at the police headquarters where he was kept last night, all of last night, there from here he will be taken to the magistrate court either in South Goa or in Panji itself.
And Kashif, what are your sources telling you? What about the first night that Tarun Tejpal spent behind bars after being accused of sexual assault by a junior colleague?
Well, yes, what we understand is till 2 a.m. Itself, the medical examination of Tarun Tejpal was going on, and from there, that was in Bambolim. From there, he was taken and brought here at the police headquarters. He spent the night over here at this headquarters, and remember, under Section 41D of the CRPC, he has been allowed home food, he has been allowed visit of his family and friends, and also allowed visit of a lawyer. All his family and friends have been in Goa all the while this case has been yesterday and the day before that, when the arguments in the local court were heard about his anticipatory bail plea. So clearly he was in the police lockup in the headquarters, but now after that he will be taken to a court later in the day. That's what we have been told.
All right, Kashif, thanks very much for joining us with that update on the story. Let's move on to some political news now. As Delhi gears up for assembly elections, the political fight is only intensifying. While Narendra Modi attacked the Congress in his speech in New Delhi, in another part of the city, arch-rival Nitish Kumar took a dig at Modi himself, with both Modi and Nitish set to address supporters in the capital. It's going to be a mega showdown and a clash of rallies in New Delhi.
As Delhi prepares for a high-voltage election, two political bigwigs, former allies Narendra Modi and Nitish Kumar, are in the national capital addressing rallies at the same time.
मनमोहन सिंह जी की सरकार में मंत्री है और वो ये मानते हैं कि इस देश में जब भगवान बुद्धि बांट रहा था तो सबसे पहले वो ही खड़े थे.
While Modi took on his political rival indirectly, Nitish indicated a very direct attack at BJP's prime ministerial candidate.
अब बीजेपी ने अपना नया नेता चुन लिया है, बीजेपी को अपना अधिकार है, हम लोगों को क्या मतलब है? वो एक मॉडल की बात करते रहते, वो मॉडल और कुछ नहीं है. जो इलाका विकसित है उसी के विकास का मॉडल है.
JDU may not be a political killer in the capital, but the sheer timing of Nitish's rally is now raising eyebrows. And as the two political rivals prepare to clash again today, the capital is all set to witness another fiery war of words. Bureau Report, Times Now.
Coming up on Morning Prime Time, crucial state of Rajasthan goes to polls. It's a direct face-off between Ashok Gehlot and Vasundhara Raje. Now, on a campaign trail in the capital, Narendra Modi is sharpening his attack on the Congress, targeting top UPA ministers like Kapil Sibal and P. Chidambaram. In fact, Sibal was quick to rebut Modi, once again challenging him on history and facts, and Chidambaram hit right back by saying that Modi is drawing the wrong conclusions between gold imports and inflation.
गूगल के पास सबसे ज्यादा जानकारी किसी के पास है, इन्हीं के पास है.
The tone vicious and the attack scathing. In New Delhi, Narendra Modi launching an unsparing attack on senior UPA minister Kapil Sibal.
गूगल के पास सबसे ज्यादा जानकारी किसी के पास है, इन्हीं के पास है. ये अपने आप को गूगल के पक्के शिष्य मानते हैं.
This coming just days after Sibal tried to deconstruct Modi's development model, something that the BJP poster boy vouches for. Kapil Sibal quick to rebut, unwilling to spare Modi for his mockery.
तो चांदनी चौक से ये आवाज उस तक पहुंचनी चाहिए, तू क्या हिंदुस्तान को गुजरात बनाएगा, हम गुजरात को हिंदुस्तान बना देंगे। ये हमेशा अनशन कोई भी इसके मन में बात आ जाए ये बोल देता है। इसको आंकड़ों का पता नहीं, तो उसको इतिहास का कुछ पता नहीं।
The Congress wants to attack the BJP on facts now and target Modi where it hurts the most by questioning and attacking the Gujarat model of development. But this time around, the BJP has been quick to retaliate, and it came from the man himself in the Delhi rally with a point-by-point rebuttal.
His attack not just restricted to Sibal, Narendra Modi also targeting Finance Minister P. Chidambaram.
सारी बुद्धि उन्हीं को मिली हुई है, बाकी हम लोग सब खाली हैं।
The Congress not taking Modi's attack lying down.
जैसे उन्होंने उनका भाषण जो आजकल हो रहा है वो स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी सर्कस के क्लास का हो गया है। तो कम पढ़ा लिखा आदमी जब इतिहास भूगोल में अपने को काबिल साबित करने की कोशिश करता है तो यही हाल होता है जो नरेंद्र मोदी जी का हो रहा है
कि पहली बार rhetoric getting more bitter, the personal attacks and the political slugfest just seems like a trailer of what is in store for 2014. With Tavleen Singh in New Delhi, Sagarika Mitra for Times Now.
Well, it's yet another milestone for India's maiden Mars mission. Mangalyaan today left Earth's orbit to cruise towards Mars. The orbiter has begun its 10-month-long journey before it finally reaches the red planet.
It's another milestone in the nation's space history. India's maiden spacecraft to Mars successfully leaving the Earth's orbit and embarking on its 300-day sojourn to the red planet.
The progress so far from the launch till date has been very smooth, and all the subsystems, mainframe systems of the spacecraft has been tested extensively, which was one of the major objectives in our earthbound maneuvers.
After a crucial midnight operation, Mangalyaan escaping Earth's gravity, only to cruise towards Mars.
In the course of the journey, there will be 4 maneuvers planned by ISRO as part of the course correction. India plans that its first interplanetary mission will land on Mars, the Martian orbit, on the 24th of September 2014.
But right ahead of the operation, scientists in ISRO closely monitoring every step. Each day, Mangalyaan will cover over 2.5 million kilometers, hurtling into space till it is slowed down to be captured by Mars. And once it reaches Mars, Mangalyaan will revolve around the red planet for 6 months and announce India's triumph.
So we are now very much sure and very much assured that our camera, Mars color camera, will work wonders when it goes to Mars and take beautiful color picture.
The Mars Orbiter spacecraft will continue on its 300-day journey to Mars and will now come under the Sun's sphere of influence. And while it does so, close monitoring as well as navigation commands will be done from this ISTRAC center of ISRO to ensure that India's first mission to Mars is precise in its target.
The success of the mission can be assessed only when the spacecraft reaches the Martian orbit on September 2014. But the 450 crore mission to Mars till now has kept India beaming with pride. With Pooja Prasanna in Bangalore, Sagarika Mitra for Times Now.
Now, due to rampant industrialization, Earth has lost most of its forest cover, posing a huge danger to ecological balance. The youth of Madurai, with the help of Times of India's I Lead India campaign, has taken a small initiative to make a huge difference by restoring the green cover. We will show you how.
At a time when the entire world is facing a huge fear of deforestation and when half of the world's forest cover has been lost, this young brigade from Madurai has decided to do their bit to save the atmosphere. This enthusiastic youth helping for a good cause in the city of Madurai by planting saplings along with the local authorities.
What you're seeing now was not how the lake was initially. There was open defecation going on around here, these kind of cattle going on here, pigs which come and stray here. So obviously the water here was not potable.
For example, if you see our t-shirt, we have indicated India in green color, which means that we are going to be eco-friendly. We are approaching every activity of us in an eco-friendly way.
This is the beginning of a very big major task. and we're not going to leave it to this. And what we believe is that when better is possible, good is not good enough.
From a well-determined approach to extensive research, this initiative by the youth will certainly make a huge difference to our deteriorating ecological balance.
With that, it's a wrap on Morning Prime Time. Coming up next is Power of Shunya. Thanks for watching.
Despite the Congress facing a 3-time anti-incumbency in Delhi, the BJP has lagged behind the Aam Aadmi Party in taking advantage. Can its new chief ministerial candidate, Dr. Harshvardhan, change fortunes for the BJP in the crucial elections for Delhi?
41 days. Is that enough for you to have fought this, or would you have liked more time to fight the Delhi election?
Even if it was done 30 days earlier or 50 days earlier, the response would have been the same.
Watch The Real Politic with Navika Kumar this weekend only on Times Now.
In association with Chola MS Health Insurance, with you when you need us the most.
Hettich Fittings make furniture work beautifully. Hettich Fittings, German quality you can trust.
Whenever I face some problems, not using force, but through dialogue.
No goal is impossible.
We are entering into an age of transparency.
The next generation of Indian cricketer is going to come from the smaller towns and cities.
I would like to have the Oscars in India.
Listen to the voices that matter today to make tomorrow better at the Hindustan Times Leadership Summit.
महाराष्ट्र के जंगलों में दहाड़ भी है, ताकत भी और चहल भी। महाराष्ट्र आइए, कुछ शेर इंतजार कर रहे हैं। महाराष्ट्र अनलिमिटेड।
एक दिन ना मुझे सर्दी हुई थी और है ना मेरे पास रुमाल भी नहीं था, तो इसने अपने टाई से नाक पोंछने दिया।
ऐसी दोस्ती अगर एक बैंक निभाए तो IDBI बैंक, बैंक ऐसा, दोस्त जैसा।
Every actor's dream.
It's amazing to be a part of a 100 Crore Club.
Every producer's gamble.
Film's value should be 100 crores.
Every musician's challenge. Hundreds have tried, but only few made it.
And that is why you remember these films.
The 100 Crore Club, every Wednesday 8 p.m. only on Zoom.
When your credibility is not suspect. When you have no bias. When you have no fear. Is when India chooses you. And India has chosen. Any way you look at it, Times Now remains by far the nation's most watched English news channel. Clearly, all three other channels put together don't add up to us. Times Now, the undisputed number one.
Anbakshi was practically the soul of story of the film. Bakshi uncle brought Hindi back, but in a very simplified form, and that was his forte.
Join us in the second part of a two-part series on Total Recall as we immerse in the poetic brilliance of the iconic Anand Bakshi. This weekend, only on Times Now.